you sing Gulabi Sadi first?
Your pricing so that I can give you an. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, this is Valerie.
No, wrong number.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I am Valerie. I am talking from EH Communication. Are you interested in cable TV and Wi-Fi service?
No, thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
Can you just talk for a moment?
Yeah, please.
Have you already used any Wi-Fi or internet service? Have you?
Yeah, I have.
Do you currently own any? Yeah. Which company are you using?
I don't know in that deep, but it is applied at my home.
But can you just specify the company? So I just.
Sorry.
I can give you discount. Hello. Yeah, I got your number from one of your friends.
No, thank you.
Hello. I got your number from Tejas Bhoit. He gave me like you want. Guys, आता आम्ही प्रँक कॉल करतोय. तुम्ही आता एक प्रँक कॉल बघितलाच असेल, आता दुसरा करतायत. हे लोक प्रँक कॉल करतात आणि इथे उनो चाललाय. माझी इंग्लिश कशी वाटली तुम्हाला कमेंट मध्ये सांगा.
Meanwhile,
Hello. Yeah, this is Valerie. This is Valerie calling regarding cable TV and internet. No, I'm calling regarding cable TV.
Okay.
Am I talking to Aishu? Yeah, I got your number from one of your friends regarding the cable TV.
Yes, but I don't want anything.
No, can you just specify so that I can give you the pricing for our company? I received your number from Kaustubh Chowdhury. Yeah, he gave me that number. For internet, he said that you want internet and our internet is like the best in your area.
No, but I don't want internet. I have my Wi-Fi.
Can you just specify the pricing that you are paying? We provide the best service and we offer like 3 months free. Hello, but can you just specify your pricing so that I can give you an.
आता मी मध्येच मी बोलतो तर
बाबा आहे चुप रे घरी जातो. बॅग ब्लॉक केला का काय वापस कर.
Hello. Yeah, sorry the call got disconnected. Would you like to specify the pricing?
तुम्हाला समजत नाहीये का?
अरे फोन ठेव मांगे.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया.
ही पण त्या स्कॅमची आहे भाई. तो पण.
Meanwhile,
माझ्या बेस्ट फ्रेंडला प्रँक करतोय. इंटरव्ह्यू घेणारा हाय. गाइस फेल झालाय पहिलाच अटेम्प्ट. माई आली आवाज करत म्हणून फेल झालाय. थांबा जरा. तिने मला आता कॉल केलेला. तिला वाटलं खरंच आमच्या कंपनीचा कॉल आला.
a few moments later.
Hello.
Hello.
Am I speaking to Anandika?
Yes.
This is a call regarding for your job interview.
Yes.
Can I have your introduction first?
Yes, I'm Avantika Vikas Sale from Maharashtra, Thane, Kalyan. I'm 18 and I am first 12th standard in 2022 and
Okay.
2023 years left.
What is your job experience?
No, I have no job experience. Fresher.
That means you are a fresher.
Yes.
So our company has a job like it's like a call center. We supply internet and data regarding TV supplies and all. So can you give an example how will you sell a product to others?
Means I have to do on a call, job.
Yes.
Online call. question quickly.
Means if I am your customer, how will you sell a product to me?
Means, I have to request you and like.
Do you want some time to prepare?
Yes, I have to prepare, I think.
Okay, I will call you in 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
2,000 years later.
Hello. Are you ready for the interview? Okay. You know the situation. You have to explain it. So, can you start?
Yes, in setting the TV, I have to write, hey, hello, I'm Amrika Vikrasani. How many TVs do you have? And would you like to join a cable or a dish? You have a position of dish in your apartment. And how many channels would you like?
Okay. What are your hobbies?
I like little bit singing and all. Dancing little, not much.
Okay. Can you travel till Thane?
सिंग करायला सांग.
Can I get training on online?
Okay, we will provide you an online training session. It will be at night, but from 12 to 2.
At 12 to 2.
Yes.
Training.
Yes, because
Just
the
training starting on.
yes, because it's US time, so it will be at 12 to 2.
Can you just switch like 10 to 12 or 11 to 2 or 1?
Okay, we will.
From first, like if I can join on mobile or what? Starting or I have to do on laptop only.
Okay, let's play a game. I want to know more about you. You said you like to sing.
Little bit, not much or what?
Can I hear any song of your choice?
Like on mobile now.
Yes.
Like which song?
Which song you will prefer more?
Okay. Can you hold on for a sec? 1 minute.
Okay. Be online.
Okay. Just 1 minute.
Okay. अरे नल्लन
भाई लेट्स प्ले अ गेम. क्या है लेट्स प्ले अ गेम?
तुम्ही गाणं ऐकायचं थांब. गुलाबी साडी घालायला लावतो.
गुलाबी साडी
मला वाटतं
A few moments later.
Yes, are you ready? Can you sing Gulabi Sadi first?
Okay.
Okay. Let's start.
I don't know that song, but I have this reels only. This one.
Okay,
And,
can you say another song to us?
that's what I'm saying. तुम्हारी तस्वीर के सहारे मौसम गई गुजारे समझो इश्क को Okay, that was unreal. I'm little shy.
Okay.
Is it okay?
It's okay. We will inform you on your email within 24 hours of period. Okay, thank.
To give my email to you, no? But
Tanuja Bhoir will have send your email.
okay. What is my email ID? Can you say it? If I have another one.
Our company priorities are we can't discuss till when you are not employee of our company.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया.
No, my email ID is if he has given you. What is that?
करंटली नाही. करंटली अजून दिला नाही. घेऊ आम्ही असं.
Tanuja will send your email after we will ask her.
Tanuja will send me. Okay.
Yes, that's it. Thank you for enrolling in our company.
Thank you.
At night.
फायनली आमचे प्रँक झालेत. आता आम्ही बसलोय, कंटाळा आला आम्हाला. मी परत माझे आलायनर घातले म्हणून मी परत तोतली बोलते.